got the tubs around in here. Back of another shower. Some plumbing here, second floor bathroom, and pipes coming up. Ooh, this is a hole. Hello down there, hello down there. Look, we can see all the way through. Just for now, up here. Just running up through in the wall here. Up and beyond. Not sure where that went in yet. Some of the pipes roughed in. Underneath the first floor. This would be the plumbing for the second floor bathrooms. Part of the pipe here in the ceiling on the second floor. Over to the bathroom and downstairs in the step washroom. Look at this, we even got taps already and showers here. Here's plumbing in the kitchen area, which is going upstairs to the second floor bathroom. Here, this is for the outside tap. Let's see it through the wall here. This is the back of the building. Just in, that's right in the wall there to the sprinkler room. Upstairs bathroom. The hole for the toilet's all ready to go there. Also in the upstairs bathroom, here we have pipe already for the sink and for the water. Plumbing underneath the sink. That's a special location.